Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Holly Wolf here, and you're watching Wolf of the Wild. Today we are digging up snowdrops. These gorgeous little babies are all over the Wolf Manor house, and I'm going to plant them in some better areas. Okay, so I don't know if you should be able to see, right? You can see. Look at these little white guys behind me. They're absolutely everywhere. These are snowdrops. They are literally the first thing that pops up in the spring. I'm in zone 5B. So these are a cute little winter spring bulb, and they are legitimately the first thing that pops up to kind of show that spring is here. And I absolutely love these, but the thing is, they're tiny. They're little baby bulbs, kind of like crocuses, but they're pure white, and they kind of like face downwards. They're really, really cute, very delicate looking flowers. Now, they naturalize, so they spread really well, and they are all over the lawn. In the planters, outside of the planters, in the grass. They have big clumps. They have ones that are just like single ones, just all over the place. And as much as I love that, I'm looking for impact in these gardens. And there's a lot of kind of like the outside perimeters of some of the garden beds that I really want to add pops of color to. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to dig up and move a lot of these snowdrops. And then especially with the single ones, I'm going to kind of put maybe 10 or more bulbs together so they look a little bit more like the ones kind of behind me here that are big and chunky little groups of them. And I'm gonna plant them like that, and so I can have beautiful impact in some of my woodsy areas in the garden, places that look really brown in the spring. I just want to add a little bit of color. Today we're going to dig up this area. I'm going to concentrate on this. I actually really think I want a fountain here. I really like this corner of the fence here and this kind of cute little L pocket, and it has 0 plants in it besides the snowdrops. I think it would be a perfect, beautiful area for a water fountain. Something nice and big and impactful that I can put some stones around. And as you're walking through the back gate towards the patio area, you'll be able to hear water. It'll be in the distance over by the kitchen area, but not so close to like beside the house that, you know, you're like, oh my God, there's water everywhere. So I think this would be a gorgeous corner. So to prep for that and do kind of 2 things at once, I'm going to take out as many snowdrops as I can. I also have a few other areas at my house in my pond area that I want to plant more of these. I did a few last year just to test them out and to make sure they came back up, and they did, and I absolutely love it. They're kind of all under one of my Japanese maples, and I want to put a bunch more around the garden area, or sorry, the pond area, because again, it's super brown this time of year, and I just want color. So we're gonna do that, and eventually I will get around to doing more of it. We'll do a little showcase of like what this whole side looks like so you can see, but I kid you not, they're freaking everywhere. It's insane. I'm gonna do some of it today, not all of it, but enough so I can bring some back in this guy to my other house and replant them. All right, so let's get going. right. And this is basically the time you're supposed to be picking these if you want to relocate them, is when they're kind of fully flowered and stuff, maybe close to the end. I'm doing it a little early, but I'm leaving a lot of you know, roots and stuff around them, so they should transplant pretty well. I'm literally going to be taking these to my other house and doing that today, so they shouldn't be too shocked. All right, guys, so I have a whole little bin container of these amazing snowdrops. That's all I'm gonna do for today. What I'm gonna do is work in sections and try to only dig up what I plan on putting back in, hopefully the same day. I'm gonna take these over to my house and plant them all around my pond. So excited for that because, like I said, I love snowdrops. I think they're absolutely beautiful. I used to not actually like small spring bulbs, but because they're so quick to come up, one of the first things, it just, I don't know, makes you feel a certain way as soon as you start to see things sprout and flower. So I'm really excited to put these over into my garden. That will be the last thing I do today. And then I'm gonna take a break, maybe eat something, have a coffee, we'll see. As always, thank you so much for watching, and make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.